Hello, this is Jim from TechBuzz. Just a quick update on my Nokia 7 Plus, which a lot of you have been asking questions on, and it's come back today. It's come back within a week, and the process is pretty simple. And from booking it online and so on, and I went the route of dropping it into the DHL hub rather than waiting on a courier to collect it because they're not reliable. So I wanted this back out, fixed and back as quick as possible. But the pretty quick process. Nokia emailed me throughout the process, which is pretty good. I've been giving updates through on the social media. But yeah, the 7 Plus is back, and as you remember, the part was loose, and look at it now. Major difference there, and we're just in the middle of setting it up. But there's a massive difference there, if you remember from the last video, which I'll put a link below if you haven't. And you can see we still have the screen guard on there and a bit messy on the back. In the interim, I've been using this and my Moto G6. But here's the interesting part, the report sheet that came back, which has quite a lot more than what I sent off for, which was the USB-C port. So it had a couple of faults. It had there's quite a few faults here, as you can see. It had big spots on the display and a graphic problem on the display module. I didn't notice any of that. With the charging connector damage, which this is what the issue was sent off for originally. Another issue here, again repeated. So it seems to be a common theme here with different parts. As you can see, there's a module replaced up here. Adhesive TP top 1.2 B2N, adhesive right lens B2N, and adhesive left lens B2N. Graphic problem on display module. I don't know what this big spots on display was because I didn't notice that in there. So this could be some information for you out there if you had the same problem mine, and see what your report comes back with. But overall, the service was fairly good, and this is what the original report was, which I sent out. And of course, I said this went back to Hungary, and it's back now within a week. So I was pretty happy with the outcome, and we'll see now how we get on with the phone, if this issue happens again, and hopefully it won't. I'm just setting it back up there at the moment, so I'll report back if I do see any other issues. But the main important thing is here is the difference here as to the way it was when I first done the video a while back last week. And you can't really see in there a whole lot, but it seems to be a good job, and I'm just hoping now it will stay that way. So we'll see if it's a problem that's going to occur again, or if it's something that can be fixed once and for all. And yeah, like I've been using this N8 for probably a year now, and this is still like new as well. So I'll just go to show you perhaps parts, and this has been heavily used, and I do heavily use this as well, along with other phones that I have. So it's just strange that the N8 hasn't, or the Nokia 8 hasn't had the same symptoms as this. So stay tuned for more. We'll talk to you once again, and again, lots of people have been asking about this, how I get on and what's happening and so on. This is the final report on the issue, and hope to be of help to some people. And I'll just leave this report card here for a couple of seconds so you can read, or you can just pause it and see what you can make of that. And that's basically it. We'll talk to you again.